Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sithelo. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and also share this video. With many celebrities saying nothing about the whole Sithelo Soji's allegations against Andile Mpisane, while Instagram influencer Doromongy became the very first one to write on her Instagram that she believes Sithelo and even started the hashtag I believe Sithelo. Doromongy has become very vocal and even went onto her Insta Live. She expressed her disappointment with Mamkhize for defending her son Andile Mpisane and also with the public for not showing support to Sithelo, you guys. So please check out her Insta Live. Do let me know what you think in the comment section below. I'll surely see you on my next video.
Been beaten, abused, threatened. So she must die first, right? Because literally, because she has money and her son can get away. He can easily get away with this thing. Easy. He can get away with this thing and influence a celebrity in South Africa. You guys are hypocrites. You guys are hypocrites. Liang Bora, you're ass licking. You're not saying anything about what happened to this child. This girl has been quiet all her life. She never said anything. She never addressed anything. She's not vocal. The fake account to ridiculate that girl. What kind of rubbish is that? No woman deserves such. No woman deserves such. You guys called her and threatened her even more. On top of that threatening, you called her to remove those things because you don't want that thing to follow your family. Your son did that. He did it to her. There's proof. Kherenela, I hope you're seeing this. I hope you're seeing this because this whole family needs to go down for what they did to that child. They need to go down for what they need to pay for what they did to that child. Return her kids. Return her kids to her mother, their mother. No, Sithelo, all these people that are coming on your Instagram saying love and light, they don't love you, babe. They're not even going to help you with anything. Tomorrow I'm going to get into trouble because I opened my mouth. Now I can't keep things to myself. I can't keep things to myself. When something is hurting me, it needs to come out. It needs to come out. You want to blame Sithelo for what she went through. If Sithelo beat that boy up, today it would have been a accusation. Proof. What kind of accusation is that? Sis, I'm very disappointed in South Africa. The keyboard warriors. Instagram la rogana. No money in this world will stop you from karma. We are quiet now as if that thing did not happen yesterday. As if she didn't say all those things yesterday. You guys are rejoicing. You are saying, oh, do not envy Instagram relationship. What was he supposed to do? It's not like if she told you guys, love and light, love and light, love and light. No, man. No, man. Swabang. 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 This is very wrong in many ways. This is wrong in many ways. It hurts my heart. What kind of a statement is